Meanwhile, the Obama administration is also ramping up its response to the Ebola crisis in West Africa as the U.S. Prepares to redouble its efforts to contain the spread of this virus. What kind of support measures are we expecting down the line?
Well, according to the White House, the main surge of aid will come from thousands of military troops and much-needed medical supplies. The U.S. has also called for an emergency meeting of the UN Security Council to tackle the epidemic that has so far killed 2,400 people. Our Song Ji-sun has more.
Washington is beefing up its support of international efforts to get the West Africa Ebola outbreak under control. The White House said Monday that President Barack Obama will travel to the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention on Tuesday to meet with health officials about the epidemic and afterward announced an expansion in the number of military and medical resources to combat its spread. The measures are expected to include up to an additional 3,000 U.S. military personnel being dispatched to West Africa, along with the launch of a major healthcare training and hygiene program. The U.S. will also set up a command post in the Liberian capital of Monrovia and help build up to 17 Ebola treatment centers in the region with a total of about 1,700 beds. As chair of the UN Security Council this month, the U.S. called for an emergency meeting this Thursday, asking member countries to come with concrete commitments to tackle the outbreak. This is only the second time in history the Council has met to address a public health crisis. The first was in 2000 when they convened over the AIDS pandemic. The World Health Organization earlier issued a warning about the Ebola outbreak, saying that the number of afflicted patients was increasing exponentially and that all the new treatment facilities have been overwhelmed. Song Ji-sun, Arirang News.